So what is the foot in the door technique? Well, the foot in the door technique assumes that agreeing to a smaller request increases the likelihood of agreeing to a second, larger request later on. So basically you make a small request first, and once the person agrees to this, they find it far more difficult to refuse the bigger one later on. Your main goal is to get the person to agree to the large request by agreeing to the smaller request first. Sales funnels are a great example of the foot in the door technique. You start by selling a low value item, and an incremental offer suddenly pops up to a bigger package a little bit later on in the sales process. The upsell technique is another great example. After the person already purchased something beforehand, the thank you page will then give them another product that they can buy of interest to that particular customer with the needs that they have, which has already been assumed and confirmed previously in the process. If you want more incredible neuromarketing tips and tricks that you can use to, grow your brand and get more business, then feel free to click the link in the description where you can literally get 29 more of these incredible methods to help you grow your business and take it to the next level. You can start a 30-day free trial right now, which gives you instant access into not only that, but also the most powerful strategic branding program on the entire planet. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like it, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care, guys.